I'm Saida Aisha. By profession, I'm a clinical psychologist. I had many people overcame their depression, anxiety, and stress level, and many other issues related to the mental well-being. Today, I'll be talking about exam anxiety or test anxiety. And this video is especially for those students who are preparing for their exams, let that be IELTS, PTE, or any of the academic pursuits. To begin with, I must say that it's perfectly normal to experience stress or anxiety before an exam. In fact, a little nervousness can actually help you perform your best. However, when this stress becomes so excessive and overwhelming that it starts to interfere with your performance or preparation in an exam, then it is known as test anxiety or exam anxiety. As students, we know that exams can bring a lot of other symptoms that you may experience, such as sleepless nights, the endless studying, rapid heartbeat, nauseatic feeling, forgetfulness, self-doubt, unnecessary comparison with others, and negative self-talk are the most common symptoms among the stress anxiety. At TRACS, we recognize that exam anxiety is a common concern among students.